Greetings from De Novo. Today we are presenting two logos for 6th Judicial District. These are coming off the feedback from previous. These focus more on the 6th Judicial District rather than the Agents of Change branding that we had before. Both logos feel a little bit more official. Both logos have have an optional color palette, so we're just choosing between two color palettes and two logos today. So we'll go straight into it. Logo number one, our logo A, our color palette here is green, bright greens, and bright blues. These really kind of go towards exuding positivity, energy and approachability. Here we have, on the inside of the circle, we have a very a more of an official feeling seal, with 6th Judicial District and Department of Correctional Services within that. On the outside, we have our safety and change in a perpetual circle there. So we can't have safety without change, and we obviously can't have change without safety. We'll go real quick into this is our second color palette. This is a solid, really darker blue, and then an orange for an accent color, and then brighter blues within that. The orange really kind of goes towards energy and positive change, moving forward. So again, this is kind of more of an official feel. Our second logo, we'll come down here before we get to that, and just show a little bit how these can be used on a darker palette. Our second logo, logo design B, is less official feeling than a seal of the first design, but it still has, it's in a strong container, so it still feels strong and official, but less institutional. Our font choices here are strong, very readable. We have safety and change, again, not in a circle, in a perpetual circle, but pointing back and forth in arrows. So again, it visually enforces that safety and change are really, they go together. You can't have one without the other. And here our color palette is exactly like the first logo design, which is greens for the most part, bright greens and a darker green, and then brighter blues. We'll go down to our second version here, which, again, the same thing as the first logo design. It's just another color palette with orange in it, which brings your eye in, but gives that a little bit more of that energy. Blues and oranges work really well together. And we'll come down here. This is how it could work on darker backgrounds. We'll review. So here again, there's both logos in both color palettes today. So we're focusing on these, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.